Breaking news, firefighters are at the scene of a brush fire burning right now in San Jose. You can see that plume of smoke growing bigger and bigger from this time-lapse video. It's coming from the area of Silicon Valley Road and Basking Ridge. The San Jose Fire Department says the fire has burned 2 acres so far. It's spreading at a dangerous rate this afternoon. They're threatening one structure as well. We're going to stay on this story and bring you new information as soon as we get it from fire crews. But again, this is a brush fire burning there, threatening one structure in San Jose. Somebody